Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Shrewd Judge. A moral story: take responsibility for your actions. Once, a robber was brought to the court. He was charged with stealing. The judge asked, "Why did you steal the rich man's gold?" The robber replied, "God asked me to steal the gold." If you want to blame someone, blame God and punish him. The judge felt agitated but kept his calm. He said, "Fine. I will punish God. But you must return all the gold to the rich man, or else I will put you in jail." The robber hesitated, but then he returned all the gold. The robber asked the judge, "Now can I leave?" "No," replied the judge. The angry robber began yelling at the judge for lying to him. The judge said, "It was God's will, but I lied to you to take all the gold. You can go fight with him. Right now you are going to jail."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.